G-body Monte Carlo parts can be challenging to come by, especially something like your headlight filler panel during a restoration. Fortunately, we've got one of the largest selections available. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1983 to 88 Monte Carlo SS stainless steel headlight opening filler panels. Manufactured in stainless steel, these headlight opening filler panels install under the hood on the sides of the radiator core support to help direct airflow through the radiator. Each panel is manufactured from stamped stainless steel using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels where applicable. At the end of the production, every panel is polished for that mirror-like finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.